Make a great choice today with the 2019 Encore. The Encore captures Buick's traditional strengths while demonstrating luxury and style in a petite size. It's amazingly quiet at freeway speeds, and the suspension engulfs pavement imperfections, providing passengers with a pampered ride. Standard features that would make any car owner smile, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, auto headlight on/off, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, backup camera, leather upholstery, Sirius satellite radio. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.